So our common distribution methods and their risks. This is how it's done today. We have cloud services like Dropbox, Google Drive. We talked about those. They're convenient, but they lack version control, or at least quality SOLIDWORKS version control and application integration. As of right now, there's no application integration for any of them, to my knowledge. We also have some application-based ways of distributing files, SOLIDWORKS and AutoCAD. These are some newer methods, like some cloud-based stuff through the 3D Experience platform and stuff like that. It's not the most common option, and in most cases, we find that users get frustrated with this method as well. There's always good old-fashioned email. You can attach a file and send it out, but you have a high risk of version confusion with no centralized tracking. How many folks have sent a SOLIDWORKS file via email, just straight up attached it and sent it? We all have. It happens, but we want to limit that. PDM viewers, web viewers, and PDM viewer licenses. These are additional licenses that you can purchase if you're not a CAD user, and they come in 5 packs typically, and you can get some viewers to view these licenses. We find them to be clunky and, quite honestly, not very user-friendly. So again, we stick away from those if we can. This last one might be an introduction to you. This is Flatter Files, and this is our choice for all data distribution for CAD users. Flatter Files is a cloud-based automated CAD data distribution system, and this lives in the cloud. It's browser-based. You can also have an application on your phone or a tablet or whatever kind of device you want, if like you're on a shop floor and you have to take a look at, maybe you're a QC person and you take a look at assemblies versus the actual built components, then you can have all of that CAD data, whether it's a step file, a PDF, or even a non-CAD file. Well, I guess those are non-CAD files, but other CAD files like AutoCAD file types, you can create those file types automatically based on triggers that are tied into your PDM vault. For instance, like a revision change. If you have a new revision, then there's a list of people who need to be notified, and they're automatically notified with the updated files through the Flatter Files system. It's just a really, really great, elegant way to solve that data distribution system. And this is the way that we went with Titan Steel Door. We implemented Flatter Files, and it solved their data distribution problems pretty much instantly.
Tanner, if I may, I wanted to add one more thing on your Flatter Files thing that I think is important here.
Go for it.
Unlimited viewers. So the Flatter Files is sold by the number of contributors, i.e. the licenses that you have or the people that are uploading information to the database, but unlimited viewer licenses, which means you get around all, no matter how broad your manufacturing network is, you have a way to distribute to those customers without necessarily having to buy more CAD licenses, viewer licenses, et cetera, et cetera.
And all of those viewers do have the ability to do some annotation and markup. So if there's additional design, I don't know, things that need to be met, they just hit the wrong dimension or something, you can, as a stakeholder or a viewer, you can make those comments, send it back to manufacturing in the CAD department, and let them address it and uprev it, and then get a new notification, and it's all automated. So Flatter Files is a really, really slick solution, and it's multi-CAD. It's not just SOLIDWORKS. It basically supports any type of CAD file that you can throw at it, and automatic creation of step files, PDFs, just really, really nice functionality for folks.